All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, we got a check engine light on my wife's Tahoe here. So that's on. And we went ahead and plugged in our blue driver. And we're now gonna check the codes. And so we go to read codes. And we got check engine light. So let's see what it says. So two codes were found. So evap system vent valve control circuit. And they're both P0449 codes. So we'll click on it. And this is a common problem with our '08 Chevy Tahoe. And I already have this, but you click on this, brings you right to the Amazon site, and boom, look at that. There's the part right there. So I already went ahead and ordered it and got it. And here it is. So this is the part we're going to put on today, and hopefully this solves our check engine light issue. So let's go ahead and get this on. All right, so first thing we want to do is pop this cover off. If we can here. Get that out of the way. And, oh geez, look at this. I love living in the country. Look at all that crap that the mice brought in there. But that's our piece right there that we're going to be replacing right here. So let's go ahead and get this crap out of here first. Time to bring in the vacuum. All right, so we got that all cleaned up down in there now. Let's get back to what we were doing. Let's go ahead and get this piece off right here. Okay, so we want to unclip this piece here, and then this piece will pop out. It's a snap-in type to secure that, and should be able to get that off the front there too. So let's disconnect this first. Yep. That pops right out. Stick that back there. Pop that off right there. And now we can go ahead and pop that off right there. That slides right off of that. And should be able to take this right out here. So you just push down on that and that'll pop right out. There we go. All right, so there's our piece right there. And then this, you're just gonna, you didn't have to disconnect this whole thing. It was just easier for me to get at it this way and I could show you. So you press on that and that comes right out. So there's our bad piece right there. And here's our new piece. Even comes with a new bracket. We won't need to put the new bracket on, so we could take this off of here and just use this piece. So this just pop that up over that. That slides off. Simple as that. And then with these connectors, they snap right back on, so it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and snap this back in. So we're gonna take this, and that's just gonna snap right back in there. Just like that. And then we could hook up our other piece here. That's gonna, the electrical's gonna snap right into it. Just like that. And then we're gonna put this back on its little stand there. Just slides down, sits right on it. See, there's the little stand that it slips right into. So now we just need to connect that hose piece we took off, and that connects right up into here. And it all will just snap right back together. So we take this, and get that in there. Okay, so we got that all snapped back in, and this is gonna come over here, and this is gonna snap back down in there, just like that. All right, so it's plugged back in. This is secure in there now. It's all connected. Let's throw our cover back on, and then we'll go test this. Pushes right back down. All right, so let's see. We still might need to clear it, or it might be clear itself when we turn the key. And there you go. All right, so it's off. So we're all set now. So you can see how easy that was to do. And that blue driver, this little guy is a handy dandy little thing to have. You could get your parts, tells you what's wrong, everything. So, all right guys, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye Obo.
Hi guys.